So, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is about to go official, and we have 4 exciting devices lined up: the standard Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Plus, the flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the brand new Galaxy S25 Slim. Let's dive into what each of these models brings to the table. Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. The standard Galaxy S25 and the S25 Plus come with 6.2-inch and 6.8-inch displays, respectively. However, Samsung is still sticking to a 1080p resolution on the base S25, which feels like a letdown in 2025. Honestly, if you're looking for better value, devices from OnePlus or Xiaomi might be worth considering over the base S25. The Galaxy S25 Plus, on the other hand, is a step up with a 1440p high-resolution display and a 4900 mAh battery. While the battery isn't as large as the 6000 mAh offerings from competitors like Xiaomi or OnePlus, it's still decent enough for most users. Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, let's talk about Samsung's most powerful flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It boasts a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120Hz refresh rate and 2nd-gen Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with an anti-reflective coating. While the design still retains a boxy rectangular look, the rounded edges this time make it much more comfortable to hold compared to the sharp corners of the S24 Ultra. The One UI 7 comes pre-installed, and there's a noticeable tweak: the pill-shaped battery icon in the status bar, as Samsung teased during SDC 2024. Camera upgrades. Samsung is sticking with its 200MP HP2 main sensor, accompanied by 10MP 3x telephoto, 50MP 5x telephoto, and a brand new 12MP JN3 ultra-wide sensor for sharper, wider shots. The camera system remains excellent, but it's not a massive leap over the S24 Ultra. Performance and battery. The S25 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is a beast for gaming and multitasking. It even supports AAA gaming via Windows emulators, pushing the limits of mobile performance. Battery life is still a bit disappointing. Samsung is sticking with the 5000 mAh battery, claiming up to 31 hours of video playback. While it's an improvement over the S24 Ultra, it falls short compared to OnePlus and Xiaomi devices with larger 6000 mAh batteries. Colors and build. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will come in these stunning colors: black with a titanium frame, gold, icy blue, and white with a silver frame. The volume rockers and power key are on the side, while the SIM card tray, speakers, and S Pen slot are located at the bottom. Biggest letdown: S Pen. Here's the shocking news: the S Pen for the S25 Ultra is losing its Air Actions feature. This means you can no longer control your device with gestures, as the Bluetooth functionality has been removed. For many S Pen enthusiasts, this is a significant downgrade and might feel like the end of an era. Galaxy S25 Slim. Now, about the Galaxy S25 Slim, despite its name, it doesn't look particularly slim. It's slightly thinner than the other S25 models but still bulkier compared to older models like the Galaxy S20 Plus. Its specs include the 8 Elite chipset, a smaller battery, and a 200MP main camera, which makes it a mid-range alternative within the S25 lineup. Final thoughts. While the Galaxy S25 series offers incremental updates, it's clear Samsung is playing it safe this year. The S25 Ultra is still the most compelling option for power users, but for those who want better battery life or innovation, competitors like Xiaomi and OnePlus are giving Samsung some serious heat. What are your thoughts on the S25 lineup? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. Peace out.